So here I am back with some more Spigen cases for the S25 Ultra. These are a bit tasty, so let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the Ulra Hybrid cases for the S25 Ultra. We have the 01 and we have the Neo. Now I have always loved the 01 and recently I really dig the look of the Neo. So let's check these out. So I went for the black colored 01 and I just think the black one is the best looking color on it. But strangely on the Neo I went for the light version, which is the clear version, because I think it is the better looking than the darker version, if that makes sense. So yeah, I mean, look at that, that looks so badass. What do you guys think? Which is your favorite? Do you prefer dark or clear? And which is your favorite design, 01 or Neo? Let me know in the comments down below. But we'll just quickly weigh these cases. So the 01 weighs in at 44 grams. And the Neo weighs in at 43 grams. Pop the S25 Ultra into the 01. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. 265 grams is what you'll carry around in your pocket with the 01. Oh, look at that. And then we have 265 grams for the Neo, so that's what you'll carry around in your pocket. Right, we're going to start with the 01 and we just pop that in like so. This is a TPU case. It is the dark version of the TPU case, and it is while it's dark it is clear. So we have these plastic buttons which are clicky, tactile responsive. We have lanyard loopholes here down at the bottom, just on one side. We've Spigen's branding on the other side. And then we have our microphone cutouts at the top, and then on the bottom we have our USB-C cutout, speakers, and S Pen cutout. And this is all recessed down for the S Pen, making the S Pen very, very easily accessible. We also have what I call the traffic light cutout for the cameras. So this is much nicer to me than the P cutout. I recently reviewed the Ulra Hybrid case and I have no idea why they didn't go for the same camera layout on that case, because it kind of ruined that case for me a little bit. So I'm glad to see that they have went this route, and it is very, very nice. I would have preferred individual cutouts, but this is okay. So we'll just do the fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners and we'll give it a twist, and the phone is secure in there, so the phone does not move whatsoever, which is what you want to see. And if we just do the corner test then, so we just pop that off the corners, and there, that's a good click. So we'll just try it on the bottom then as well. Yeah, that's really good. Basically, if the case is clicking on your phone, it's going to be secure. It's going to be a good tight fit, and that's what you want. Screen lip then. So this is sort of a minimal lip, but it does go all the way around and it is consistent all the way around. So you are going to get lift up flat protection. Set that down flat. It's going to protect that screen from your surfaces. That's what you want to see. And then, of course, check out the camera guard then. The camera guard, the lenses don't protrude out, and if you set that down flat as well, that's going to protect those lenses. We do have a very slight lift here on each of the corners as well, so it gives you an extra bit of lift. So you set that down flat and you've got no issues. It also means then with those extra raised corners, it doesn't rock either, which is good. Feel of this case, even though this TPU is shiny, it does feel grippy. And it has always been a staple of the Ulra Hybrid case, so I can't fault that at all. Of course then, if we've got this print on the back, you can sort of feel the texture of the print, but it is pretty smooth. And then you do have good grip on the side bumpers. I do like this. I'm not a big fan of plain clear cases. It's just not my cup of tea, but these are the clear cases that I make an exception for. I really dig this. It's a MagSafe case, so we can do a MagSafe test. So let's just check this out. And as always, you can see here, rounded accessories. We've no issues there with the cameras. That's what you want to see. And we'll just try the magnets. And yep, exactly what I expected it to be. Spigen have massively upped their game. Can't fault that whatsoever. Yeah. top. We'll just plug that in, we'll do the charging test, pop that on. Wireless charging is coming through, no issues there whatsoever, no dropouts. That's what you want to see. And we'll just do the S Pen test. We'll pop the pen out. And yeah, those magnets do not interfere with the writing of the pen. That's what you want to see. So that's good. Yep, perfect. Now if we just pop it on the charger, and we'll just try writing. Look at that! So even with the MagSafe accessory, we have no interference there with the S Pen. See, that's awesome case. That is perfect. 01 has been one of my favorite cases, not only for the Samsung phones, but for the Pixel and for the iPhone. I have loved every single one of them. They are great cases. I would highly recommend. So next up then is the Neo, and this case is really nice. Now, like I said, I'm not a big fan of like just plain clear cases. They're not my cup of tea. I just don't like it, but this is different. This has a bit of character to it. This print as well. It kind of gives like a metallic sheen because of you can see the color of the phone, and because it's got that sort of metallic matte sort of texture to the back of the glass, it makes the case look very, very nice. It's got a real nice sheen to it. I dig that. It's the exact same case. We have these TPU bumpers with our buttons, which are clicky, tactile, responsive. Perfect. Lanyard loophole. We have our Spigen branding here on the side, which is very subtle. Cutouts then for our USB-C, our speakers, and our S Pen. S Pen is very easily accessible. Fitment then, we just do the fitment test. Yeah, the phone does not move. Try to twist the phone out of the case there, it doesn't move. That's what you want. The corner test. Yeah, that's a good solid fit. Yeah, that's really good. Really, really good. Good strong fitment there. Screen lip. So the screen lip is exactly the same as the 01. It's minimal, but it's consistent all the way around, comes up over the display. You are going to get that set down flat protection, which is good. Camera guard then as well, exactly the same. Lenses don't protrude out. So, and you've got these little raised corner bits here as well. Set that down flat, raises up those lenses, stops the phone from rocking as well. Really, really good. Exact same. The TPU bumpers feel grippy, they feel solid. And you can feel the texture of the print, and the texture here is it's a lot more detailed. If you look at it, you can see like more detail around the charging coil, and you can see like chips and stuff here, which is pretty cool. You've got Spigen Neo 1 as well, but you can still clearly see the Samsung brand in there too, which is a good touch. I really do like that. Some parts of the print are on the inside, some parts are on the outside, so then it gives you like a little shadow effect on the phone as well. It's really cool. It's a well thought out case, and I do like the design. MagSafe case, so we'll just do the MagSafe test. That's what you want to see. Consistent as ever. Speaking of really nailed these cases, really nailed these cases. We've got good strong magnets there, which is what you want to see. Just pop it on the charger. Yeah, charging's coming through there, no issues whatsoever. That's what you want to see. And then we'll just quickly do the S Pen test. So we just pop the S Pen out. Yeah, no issues whatsoever. Perfect. And then if we just pop it on the charger, and no breaks in that one either. Yeah, what more needs to be said? Awesome cases. Awesome. And there we have it. So we have the 01 and the Neo one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below which of these two is your favorite for the S25 Ultra. And also let me know in the comments down below what color is your S25 Ultra and which case are you rocking. Let me know down below. As always, I'll leave you affiliate links to where I pick these cases up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more content coming for the S25 Ultra. And if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. Until the next one, I'll catch you later. So pretty.